How to download non-copyright songs on your phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can download non-copyright songs with any web browser on your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up any web browser. You can use your Safari, you can use your Google Chrome, anything works. After that, you can simply search for pexels.com. After you head over to this website, you'll find a lot of free stuff available which are non-copyright. So you can find videos and images and everything. So from here, you can simply search for photos or images or simply music as well. So let's search for music. You can scroll down, explore this website up. There are a lot of different things available. So let me just search for videos. And all of these are free stock. You can also find trending and new ones. You can search for music from here as well. If you simply search for music, it's gonna give me music. Right here, you can see user photos and music's available. And yeah, you can now download this as well. You can apply filters if you want to. Simply select anything that you want. Let's say this one. And tap on the free download button on the top. And it should begin with the download. There we go. And that's how you can download non-copyright songs on your phone. Thanks for watching. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.